pristine PlayStation 5 rests on a matte surface, its bold contours catching soft light. Slow, deliberate pans reveal the sculpted outer shell, designed not just for aesthetics, but for optimal airflow and dust capture, protecting the heart of the console from microscopic intruders. On-screen text notes, engineered vents and removable panels enhance cooling and maintenance. As the outer layers separate, the massive cooling system comes into focus. The camera glides over the centrifugal fan, its blades engineered for low noise and high efficiency, before tracing the intricate path of air across the imposing heatsink. Subtle overlays highlight the airflow, while a caption explains, a custom heatsink dissipates heat, channeling cool air precisely where it's needed. The motherboard emerges, a dense cityscape of circuits and components. A slow zoom centers on the APU, where Sony's bold choice of a liquid metal thermal interface is revealed. Labels point out, liquid metal maximizes thermal conductivity, keeping the processor cool during intense gaming sessions. Nearby, the compact power supply and neatly organized storage bays underscore the PS5's commitment to both power and expandability. Every layer, every pathway, is a testament to intentional design, each part working in harmony to balance speed, silence, and longevity. The video lingers on the gleaming internal architecture, ending with a subtle prompt, one small change here prevents a massive overheating problem, revealing how the PS5's internal cityscape is built for the future.